Good morning everyone. I am going to start the 12th accountancy, chapter 1, sum number 16. Okay, I am going to start sum number 16. We already solved lot of problems in first chapter up to 15 problem. So we are going to start the 16th problem. The 16th problem is having 4 steps. Only bills receivable, total debtors, bills payable, total creditors. Okay, so we already saw a lot of formats in this chapter. Okay, so the first step 1. Step 1, that is called total receivable. That is called bills receivable. The bills in the account is having lot of bills received from the debtors, then bills received dishonor. Okay, opening balance, closing balance. So these are items have to appear in this step 1. Okay, so step 1, bills receivable account. Bills receivable account. The bills in the account is having debit side, credit side, and debit side. Okay, so these are particulars. So one of the format particulars, rupees, particulars. Okay, so in this problem, from the following details you are required to calculate credit sales and credit purchase by preparing total debtors account, total creditors account, bills receivable account, bills payable account. Okay, so particulars, opening balance and closing balance is given. Balances as on 1st April 2018, sundry debtor 2,40,000, bills receivable 30,000, sundry creditor 1,20,000, bills payable 10,000. That is here that side that are all the closing balance. Okay, sundry debtors 2,20,000, sundry creditors 1,50,000, bills receivable 8,000, bills payable 20,000. Okay, so the next, that is the other information is given. Cash received from debtors 6 lakh, discount allowed to customer 25,000, cash paid to creditors 3,20,000, discount allowed by suppliers 10,000, payments against bills payable 30,000, cash received for bills receivable 60,000, bills received disorder 4,000, balance 16,000. Okay, so bills received one of the current asset, another assets. So one of the ledger. So opening balance comes under debit side, closing balance comes under credit side. Okay, so to balance brought down, that is opening balance. Closing balance, simultaneously on a closing balance, that is by balance carried out. The amount is the opening balance, the amount is bills with the amount is 30,000, closing balance the amount is 8,000. Okay, so next here other information, payments against bills received, cash received for bills received, payments against bills received, it comes under bills payable account, cash received for bills receivable, that is comes under bills receivable account. Okay, so cash received one of the have to get some amount from the other persons. Okay, so that is by cash received. So the amount is 60,000. Okay, so next, bills receivable dishonor. The bills dishonor one of the you have to reject from your amount. Reject, that is called some persons A, the person gave some amount to the other person, that is A to B. Okay, drawn A to B. Okay, so it comes under, so it is called as rejected, that is amount. Okay, so by, so here when you are opening bills receivable account, you have to mention sundry debtor, because sundry debtor, bills receivable, sales, that is the total, that is both are friend. Okay, sales and sundry debtor, debtors account. So that is bills dishonor. Bills dishonor. Okay, so the amount is 4,000. So total amount is 72,000. Here, so balance amount 42,000. Okay, so to sundry debtor, that is called bills received. Bills received. The total amount is 72,000. So I have to explain again. Here opening balance, here closing balance, here cash received is given in additional information. So 60,000. Next bills, sundry debtor, bill dishonor. Bill dishonor comes to the credit side because rejected. Dishonor means rejected. Your amount is rejected. Okay. So dishonor 4,000. So the balance amount is 42,000 is the amount. Okay. Now we are going to start the next step 2. Now we are going to start the step 2. The step 2 is total debtors. Total debtors account. So particulars rupees particulars. Credit side, debit side. Okay, so sundry debtor one of the asset. So opening balance comes under credit side. So by opening balance comes under debit side by to balance brought down. Here closing balance by balance carried out, that is called closing balance. This is one of the asset. So opening balance comes under debit side, closing balance comes under credit side. Okay, so closing balance is opening balance. Okay, the amount is opening balance amount is 2,40,000. Here closing balance 2,20,000. Okay, so next here discount allowed to customer. The customer is related to sales. Suppliers related to purchase. It is very important. Customers related to sales. Suppliers related to purchase. Okay, so by discount allowed. The amount is 25,000. Next, by cash received 6 lakh. Cash received from debtor. Okay, cash received from debtor. Okay, so 6 lakh. Next one, balance by balance is given in your problem. Amount is 16,000. Amount is 16,000. Okay, so here next one, we already posted bills received dishonor in credit side. So it comes under, bills receivable. Bills receivable, that is bills received. Bills accepted. Bills received or bills accepted. Okay. The amount Here the amount 4,000. Next one, the total amount that is the balancing amount in bills receivable account 42,000. So that is the balancing here. That is by bills receivable. By bills receivable. Okay, that is bills. Here bills honor, dishonor. Okay, now the bills. Here bills dishonor. Dishonor. Here bills received. The amount is 42,000. So the total amount is 9,03,000. The total amount is 9,03,000. So the balancing amount is given in debit side. So the amount is that is to sales. That is called as credit. So that is the solution. This is then so credit only how to find out in this problem. Credit sales is very important. Credit sales in total debtors. Credit purchase in total creditors. Okay, so that is very important. Credit, the amount is 6,59,000. 6,59,000. That is credit sales. Okay, so now going to start the step 3. 3, that is total debtors. Debtors account. Okay, particulars. These particulars. Okay, so the opening balance of bills, that is bills payable 10,000. That is the tax bill, bills payable account. Bills payable account. Okay, bills payable account. The bills payable the opening balance is 10,000. Closing balance 20,000. So bills payable one of the liabilities. So opening balance comes under credit side. Closing balance comes under debit side. So by balance brought down, that is opening balance. That is opening balance. The amount is 10,000. The closing amount is this closing amount. Closing amount is what? 20,000. Okay, so now bills payment against bills payable. The payment against bills payable comes under bills payable ledger account. That is comes under and also debit side. Okay, so that is to cash paid. The amount is 30,000. So the balancing amount 40,000. So by sundry credit card. Sundry credit card 40,000. So bills accepted. Okay, so now we start the step 4. Total creditors account. particulars is particulars is credit side, debit side. Okay, so the opening balance of sundry creditor, that amount is, it is given in your problem. The amount is 1,20,000. So opening balance by balance product, that is opening balance opening balance 1,20,000. The closing balance comes in the all you are opening any liabilities ledger account. The amount, the opening balance comes in the credit side, the closing balance comes in the debit side. Okay, so to balance carried on, that is closing balance. Okay, so the amount is 1,50,000. Okay, so next one, discount received. The discount allowed to customer, that amount comes under total debtors account, that is discount allowed by suppliers. By suppliers related to purchase, customer related to sales. So discount allowed by suppliers, it comes under total creditors account, that is credit side, debit side. Okay, so by discount allowed to supplier, amount is 10,000. Okay, the amount is 10,000. Next one, sundry. It's already we find out one important solution in bills payable account, that is amount is 40,000. So the amount is particular by here. So you have to transfer from bills payable account to total creditors account. Okay, so by bills payable, that is bills accepted. Okay, bills accepted. The amount is 40,000. Okay, the next amount by cash paid creditors. This cash paid creditors, the amount is 3,20,000. So now we have to find this amount. Here the total amount is 5,20,000. Here the total amount is 5,20,000. Here also 5,20,000. 5,20,000. Here also 5,20,000. Now the balance, that is by purchase, that is called credit. The amount is 4 lakh. Okay, this is the final amount. So we find out lot of the information, lot of the solution in this problem. Bills received amount, credit sales, then bills accepted, then credit purchase. Okay, so here the 4 lakh is the purchase, 6 lakh is the sales, 42,000 is that bills receivable, bills accepted, and bills payable 40,000. Okay, I hope that you understand about this concept, this problem. This one is very important, very easy to solve this problem. Okay, so this is a very important question in board examination. Okay, thank you for listening my video. Thank you so much.